Welcome to the Calibrate channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to color calibrate your display on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to search and search for DCCW. And you're gonna find the DCCW in the best match. Just open it. And after that, it's to improve your display color and calibrate the display. And you just need to click on next from here. Then just click on next again. Then from here, it's telling you what is low gamma, what is good gamma, and what is too high gamma. Just understand this and click on next. And after that, if you can change this slider, it will change the gamma level for you. Adjust it according to your monitor and display. Then just click on next. And after that, you can either skip the brightness and contrast adjustment or do it. If you want to do it, just click on next. Otherwise, click on skip. I'm doing it, so I'm just going to click it. And it's gonna tell you what is too dark, what is good brightness, and what is too bright. So understand the difference and click on next. Then just use your controls to set the brightness according to your need and click on next. Then for the contrast, it's gonna tell you the same thing, understand it, and click on next. Then just set it however you want and click on next again. Then it's telling you about the color balance. Check this out and click on next. Then just set the color balance according to your likings and you can go forward. After that, it's finished. You can either check this if you want to start clear type tuner. I'm going to start it, so I'm just going to check it and click on finish. And right after that, clear text tuner will open up. Just click on next. Click on next again. It's going to detect your monitor. And from here, whatever letter or whatever text group you see better, just select that and click on next. Select whatever you see better and click on next. Just keep doing it for 5 times. And there you go, your monitor has been tuned. And basically that is how to color calibrate your display on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.